Good morning, students. I am Rohit Nandan Shukla and I am teaching you maths. Students, today we are going to deal with some more definitions in the chapter factors and multiples. So, the first definition is of twin primes. Okay, twin primes are defined as two consecutive odd prime numbers are known as twin primes. Okay, so read the definition one more time. Two consecutive, two consecutive odd prime numbers. Okay. There is importance of word consecutive here. Okay. Consecutive means continuous. Okay. So if we have two numbers A and B, then they should be consecutive odd numbers. Okay, and also they should be prime numbers, then only they will be regarded as twin primes. Okay, so we can see that in example. Suppose 3 and 5, we have two numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are our consecutive odd numbers. Okay, consecutive means continuous, are consecutive odd numbers, and also 3 and 5 are prime numbers. That means both 3 and 5 have only and only two factors. Okay, therefore these two numbers is known as twin primes. Okay, similarly 5 and 7, they both are consecutive odd numbers and also they are prime numbers, therefore they are regarded as twin primes. Okay, suppose we are taking any number like 23 and 29. They are also odd numbers and they are also prime numbers, but they are not regarded as twin prime numbers because they are not consecutive. Okay, they are only regarded as odd primes. Students, the next definition that we have to study is of prime triplet. Prime triplet is defined as a set of three consecutive prime numbers differing by 2 is called prime triplet. Okay, so we can have its example 3, 5 and 7. We know that 3, 5, 7 are consecutive prime numbers. Okay, and they differ by 2. Okay, 5 minus 3 equal to 2 and 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Okay student, so it is important to be prime triplet, the numbers should be consecutive prime numbers and they should differ by 2. Okay, we have three sets of prime number, just say uh, 11, 13 and 17. These are also consecutive prime numbers, but they are not differing by 2. Okay, we can see that here 13 minus 11, the difference is 2, and here 17 minus 13, the difference is 4. Since their difference is not 2, therefore these three numbers are not regarded as prime triplets. Okay, students, let's do some questions of exercise 2A of chapter factors and multiples. So our first question is, write down all the factors of number 36. So we know that we can write 36 as 1 into 36. Okay, 2 into 18, 3 into 12. Okay, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. Okay, now we can see that when we will move to next step, after 6, 36 is not divisible by 7, it is not divisible by 8, it is divisible by 9, and that is 9 into 4. So we can see that the factors start repeating themselves. We have got 4 and 9 here, and we are getting 4 and 9 here also. So we will stop at this place. Okay, so the factors of 36 are 1, 36, 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9 and 6. Factors of 36 are 1, 36, 2. We can write it in proper form: 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 9, then 12, then 18 and then 36. So these are the factors of 36. Students, in the next question we have to find the first 5 multiples of 23. Okay, so it is important to note that we have to find first 5. So it can be find out by finding 23 into 1, 23 into 2, 23 into 3, 23 into 4 and 23 into 5. Okay, so 23 into 2 will be 46, 23 into 3 will be 69 and it will be 92, 115. So first 5 multiples of 23 are 23, 46, 69, 92 and 115. Now students, let's solve some more question of exercise 2a, question number 14, in which we have to express the given numbers as a sum of two odd primes. Okay, we have to express it as sum of two odd primes. So first number is 36. Okay, first number is 36. For finding such numbers, we have to think of a number which is a prime number and which is less than 36. Okay, so the prime number which is closer to 36 as well as less than 36 is 31. Okay, 31 is a prime number which is closer to 36 as well as it is less than 36. 36 can be written as 31 plus 5. We can see that 31 and 5 both are odd numbers. Okay, and also they are prime numbers. Therefore our this solution is correct. Okay, next problem 84. In this problem also we have to think of a number which is prime number and which is less than 84. So 83 is the prime number which is closest to 84. Okay, so 84 can be written as 83 plus 1, but in this case you can see that 83 is a prime number as well as odd number. One is odd number but one is not prime number, so this solution is not acceptable. Again we have to search for a prime number which is less than 84. So 73 is the next prime number which is less than 84 and closer to 84. 84 can be written as 73 plus 11. In this case we can see that 73 and 11 both are odd numbers. Okay, and they are also prime numbers, so this solution is acceptable. Okay, 84 can be written as 73 plus 11. Now students, the next question is question number 16, in which we have to express the given number as a sum of twin primes. So let's recall the definition of twin primes. Two consecutive odd prime numbers are termed as twin primes. We have seen the example 3, 5, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Now the first number is 36. Okay, so we have to express 36 as a sum of twin primes. You have to think of two numbers which should be consecutive odd and they should be prime also. Okay, and their sum is equal to 36. For finding such number you can follow a trick that first half the given number. if you will half the given number 36 by 2, you will get 18. Okay, now you have to think of a number which is around 18 and they should be consecutive, odd as well as prime. So we can clearly see that around 18 we are getting 17 and 19. They both are consecutive odd numbers as well as they are prime numbers also. So 36 can be written as 17 plus 19. This is our answer. Similarly, if we express 84 as a sum of twin primes, first we have to half 84. We get 42. Now we have to think of two numbers which is around 42 and it should be the odd and prime. So we can easily find that 41 and 43 are two numbers which are odd numbers and they are prime also. So 84 can be written as 41 plus 43.